What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock. I am super excited for this one and super pumped because this one is our Throwback Thursday restock. You heard it right. We are restocking today, which is Thursday. We normally restock on Fridays, but in the spirit of Throwback Thursday, of course, we had to do it on a Thursday. We got the club going up on a Thursday, okay? This one is super cool because we are doing all of our throwback slimes. So some of these slimes we haven't even stocked since the first time we opened up shop, honey. So that means that they were only sold once and like for one day. It's insane. So I'm really excited to be bringing some of these slimes, well, actually all these slimes back, to be honest. Yeah, we're also having a crazy sale where if you buy one slime, you get one slime half off. So that is pretty cool too. Make sure you go ahead and snatch some slime during this restock. The one that you're watching right now is Freckled Lemonade. It is one of our very first slimes to ever be stocked in the shop. That's why I wanted to go ahead and start off with this slime. It's so beautiful. If you saw in the beginning, we actually have holographic logo stickers to make it a little special for this restock. So all of the slimes are going to come with the holographic logo sticker, and it is our old logo as well, just to be in the spirit of the throwbacks and all. And each slime will be coming in an 8-ounce deli container as well, because also, hello, vintage throwback. So yeah, I'm just super excited for y'all to get these slimes. I love them so much. Freckled Lemonade is a really nice milky slime base with a bunch of add-ins. There are some fishbowl beads added in to represent ice, and then there's also red foam beads to represent little flecks of strawberry, and it's also scented like strawberry lemonade. It's super bubbly and crunchy, and I love it. Highway Unicorn is another OG slime that I stocked so long ago. I love this one so much. So now we updated the recipe, so it's actually a jelly slime instead of a jiggly slime, just because people don't normally like jiggly slime anymore, and I don't really like to sell jiggly slime either. I feel like a jelly slime is more fitting for this type of slime. It's packed with holographic glitters, and it's a really pretty purple color. Also, unicorn glitters in there as well. It's so pretty, and it's scented like orange soda. When I told y'all that I wanted to do a throwback restock full of throwback slimes, this one was like the most highly requested slime to bring back. So this is Princess Lolly. The princess is here. She is back and better than ever. So she is a thick and glossy slime scented like a mixture of a bunch of candies. So just think of like Skittles, Jolly Ranchers, all that kinds of very sweet candy. It smells amazing, and it is packed with some foam beads as well, large and small. And then it will also come with 2 to 3 charms. We normally used to only include 1 charm, but since this is a special restock, of course, we had to go hard, honey. So either 2 to 3 slimes, oh my god, 2 to 3 charms in each slime. By the way, if at any point in this video you hear like a dog crying or barking, I actually found a lost puppy, and it was so sad. I brought her inside just so that she was safe because it's super hot outside, and she was just kind of like wandering around, but we did find her owner, thankfully. So yeah, just sorry about the noise. Galactic Gummy Bears is another slime that we only sold once in the shop, but a lot of people really liked it, and it's super pretty, so I was totally excited to bring it back. This one here is scented like gummy bears. It smells super good, and it comes with a handmade gummy bear charm, a galactic gummy bear charm made by Slimes by Kit Kat, which is my aunt. She did amazing. I love the ways they look. They're super, super cute. The slime itself is a metallic slime with a purple shimmer. It's super, super cute. It has a bunch of glitters in there to kind of represent the galaxy. And then it is packed with large foam beads, and it's super bubbly and crunchy. I love it. I hope y'all didn't think that I would forget about the big three. Even though they are always constantly stocked in my shop, they are my best sellers, but they're OG as well. We've been stocking them for such a long time, so of course I had to bring the big three. Starting off the big three is my baby Chanel number 2. She is the queen of my shop, very thick and glossy, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, my number 1 bestseller. And if you haven't snatched anything from my shop before, this is definitely where you need to start, honey, because this is legit my bestseller, and everybody falls in love with this slime when they get it. Baja Blast is my second bestseller. This one is an icy cloud slime hybrid, meaning that it's like somewhere in the mix of both of those two slimes. I really love it because it's clear based and it kind of looks like a slushy or an icy. It's super, super cool, but it has a little bit of a drizzle to it. This week, the drizzle is insane. Like, it's actually really nice drizzle, and I love it so much. It's scented like a Baja Blast soda, so if you've never had that, it's basically Mountain Dew with like blue raspberry and pineapple tropical scents. It's super, super good. I love it. Mud Mask is my third bestseller and a super underrated slime in my opinion, just because we sell so much of it. However, it's still super underrated. I feel like people don't really know what it's about until you have it in your hands and you feel it, and then you fall in love with it, because I've heard that from a lot of people that they weren't sure if they were going to like it, but once they got it, they were in love. So this one is another hybrid slime. It is a hybrid between a butter slime and a cloud cream. So it's super creamy, spreadable, super sizzly, and just overall squishy and amazing. This slime here is great for spreading. It's super holdable as well because there's a bunch of clay in it, and it also inflates too, which is amazing. There is some instant snow in here as well, so if you don't like instant snow slimes, this probably isn't the one for you, but it's amazing. I love it so much, and a lot of people have said that they liked it as well once they got it in their hands. It is scented like green tea lemon, so it's super soothing, and it does come with a leaf charm to kind of represent the tea leaves. Birthday Cake Oreo is another OG slime to my shop. This is like as OG as they come, because at one point this was like actually a bestseller, and I just kind of like would put it on the back burner, kind of forget about it. But it's super nice, and I'm glad that we brought it back with a different texture this time. It is now a school glue thickie, so no glue all in here, just straight up school glue, and it's super thick. I am so obsessed with school glue thickies right now. You have no idea. I just love them a lot. It's scented like Oreos and birthday cake, which smells amazing, super creamy and delicious, and it's packed with a bunch of foam beads and sprinkles to represent, of course, you know, the funfetti or confetti or sprinkles that are in a birthday cake Oreo, and I just love it. And of course, there are some black glitters in there to represent little crushed up Oreo pieces. CRYBABY Bubblegum is another OG slime. This one was one of the first slimes as well that we stocked in our shop when we had like our first restock ever, and it's just so OG. However, it is brought back with a different texture this time. So before it used to be a cream cheese slime with cornstarch, and now we just made it a slay slime with a little bit of clay, and I love it so much better now. It's super nice. The color kind of comes off like a light blue on camera. However, it's more of a periwinkle, so it's like a light blue purple kind of color, and then there are some blue and pink foam beads just for added texture and to complete the look. I love it a lot because now that it's a slay slime, it inflates and it becomes super puffy and bubbly and amazing, and I love it. It's scented like cotton candy and bubblegum, which smells really good. And a fun fact, this slime here and Freckled Lemonade were actually like featured in Karina Garcia's first ever slime review. So how crazy is that? Like when the whole craze just started. Last but definitely not least is Pink Chocolate Chip. This one was another highly requested slime that we bring back for the throwback restock, and I'm so glad that we did. I brought it back with a different texture. However, instead of a thick and glossy, it is now a school glue thickie because I'm obsessed with them and I really love the texture. If you haven't felt a school glue thickie before, you definitely need to feel it. It's so much more different than a regular thick and glossy with like glue all. So I would highly suggest you pick up any one of my school glue thickies if you haven't felt one before, because they're amazing. This one is scented like chocolate chip cookies, obviously because of the name, and then also it comes with the little fake chocolate chips as well. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I really hope that one of the OG slimes that you wanted are in this restock. If not, let me know, and I will definitely try to do another throwback restock. But yeah, don't forget the shop opens at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!